The electric revolution was supposed to be Ford's shining moment in Europe. By 2030, every vehicle rolling off their assembly lines would emit nothing but pure, sustainable energy. No more gasoline fumes, no more fossil fuel dependence, just the blue oval leading the charge into the emissions-free tomorrow. At least, that was the bold proclamation that set the automotive world abuzz with excitement and optimism. Finally, a legacy automaker was taking a definitive stand, putting sustainability at the forefront of their mission. Environmentalists cheered, investors rallied, and consumers eagerly awaited the day when their driveways would be graced by Ford's all-electric lineup. But as the years ticked by, something seemed amiss. Whispers of setbacks and compromises began to circulate, casting doubt on Ford's ability to deliver on their ambitious pledge. The road to electrification, it seemed, was paved with more obstacles than anyone had anticipated. So what went wrong? How did a vision so promising, so revolutionary, find itself teetering on the brink of collapse? Was it simply a case of overzealous promises or underestimated challenges? Or did darker forces conspire to undermine Ford's electric aspirations, forces driven by the very industry that they sought to disrupt? Join us as we peel back the layers of this captivating saga, exposing the harsh realities and bitter truths that threaten to derail Ford's electric future in Europe. Brace yourselves for a mind-bending journey that will test the boundaries of corporate accountability, environmental stewardship, and the very concept of trust between automakers and their customers. The automotive industry has been undergoing a seismic shift in recent years, driven by the growing demand for sustainable and eco-friendly transportation solutions. Governments around the world have implemented stricter emission regulations, and consumer preferences have shifted towards vehicles that offer a reduced environmental impact. In this climate of change, Ford positioned itself as a leader in the race towards electrification, boldly proclaiming its intentions to transition its entire European lineup to electric vehicles by the end of the decade. This announcement was met with widespread acclaim and fanfare. Environmentalists hailed it as a crucial step in the fight against climate change, while industry analysts praised Ford for its forward-thinking approach and willingness to embrace the future of mobility. Consumers too were captivated by the prospect of a fully electrified Ford lineup, envisioning a world where their transportation needs could be met without compromising their environmental values. However, as the years ticked by, cracks began to appear in Ford's ambitious facade. Reports surfaced indicating that the company was facing significant challenges in its quest to electrify its European lineup fully. From supply chain disruptions and battery material shortages to soaring production costs and infrastructure limitations, the obstacles have proven more formidable than initially anticipated. Critics have been quick to pounce on Ford's backpedaling, accusing the company of making false promises and betraying the trust of consumers and stakeholders alike. They argue that Ford's initial proclamations were nothing more than a marketing ploy, designed to capitalize on the growing eco-consciousness of the public without any genuine intention to follow through. In the face of mounting criticism, Ford's representatives have been forced to defend their position, citing unforeseen global events and economic headwinds as the primary factors behind their revised plans. The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, they argue, has disrupted supply chains and caused unprecedented volatility in the automotive industry. Furthermore, the ongoing chip shortage and rising cost of raw materials have added to the complexity of the situation, making it increasingly challenging to meet their original timeline and targets. While these explanations may hold some weight, they do little to assuage the concerns of those who had placed their faith in Ford's vision for an all-electric future. The company's seeming inability to navigate these challenges has raised serious doubts about its preparedness and commitment to the cause. Amidst this turmoil, Ford finds itself in a precarious position, attempting to strike a delicate balance between its environmental aspirations and the harsh realities of the market. The company has emphasized its unwavering commitment to sustainability and has assured stakeholders that it remains steadfast in its pursuit of an all-electric future, albeit with a modified timeline and a more pragmatic approach. However, for many, the damage has already been done. The trust they once placed in Ford's ability to lead the charge towards a greener tomorrow has been shaken, and the company now faces an uphill battle to regain the confidence of consumers and industry watchers alike. Although Ford has been at the forefront of innovation for over a century, from the iconic Model T, which put America on wheels and democratized personal transportation, to the legendary Mustang, which defined an era of automotive style and performance, Ford has consistently pushed boundaries and set industry standards. The company's commitment to innovation and technology advancement has been a driving force behind its success, and its ability to adapt to changing market demands has been a hallmark of its resilience. Throughout its storied history, Ford has weathered numerous storms, emerging stronger and more resilient with each challenge it faced. From the Great Depression to World War II, from the oil crisis of the 1970s to the economic downturns of recent decades, Ford has proven its ability to navigate turbulent times and emerge as a leader in its field. Ford's journey has been punctuated by numerous milestones and achievements that have cemented its position as a global automotive powerhouse. From pioneering safety features like the first three-point seatbelt, which has saved countless lives, to introducing groundbreaking technologies like the EcoBoost engine, which combines power and efficiency, Ford has consistently demonstrated its commitment to improving the driving experience and reducing environmental impact. Moreover, the company's dedication to sustainability and eco-friendly initiatives have been a central pillar of its recent endeavors. Ford has made significant investments in research and development, exploring alternative fuel sources, advanced battery technologies, and innovative manufacturing processes that minimize the carbon footprint of its operations. One of Ford's most notable achievements in this realm was the introduction of the Escape Hybrid in 2004, which paved the way for the company's commitment to electrification. This trailblazing vehicle showed Ford's ability to combine cutting-edge technology with practical everyday utility, setting the stage for the company's future forays into the world of electric vehicles. Despite the setbacks and controversies surrounding its all-electric ambitions in Europe, Ford has remained steadfast in its commitment to a more sustainable future. The company has continued to invest heavily in electric vehicle research and development, with plans to introduce a range of new electric models in the coming years. One of the most anticipated offerings is the Ford Mustang Mach-E, an all-electric crossover that combines the iconic styling of the Mustang with the latest in electric powertrain technology. This vehicle represents a bold step forward for Ford, as it aims to capture the hearts and minds of both traditional automotive enthusiasts and eco-conscious consumers alike. Furthermore, Ford has announced plans to establish a dedicated electric vehicle center in Europe, which will serve as a hub for the development and production of future electric models. This investment underscores the company's long-term commitment to electrification, even in the face of the challenges it has encountered in meeting its initial European targets. As the automotive industry continues to evolve and demand for sustainable transportation solutions grows, Ford finds itself at a pivotal juncture. The company's ability to navigate the turbulent waters of change and deliver on its promises will be closely watched by consumers, industry analysts, and environmental advocates alike. The saga of Ford's unfulfilled promises about an all-electric future in Europe has sent shockwaves through the automotive industry and beyond. What was once hailed as a bold and pioneering move towards a greener tomorrow has now become a source of disillusionment and scrutiny. As the company grapples with the challenges of transitioning to an all-electric future, the world watches with bated breath, eager to see how this narrative will play out. Will Ford regain its footing and emerge as a true leader in the electric vehicle revolution? Or will it become a cautionary tale of unfulfilled potential and broken promises? In the face of adversity, Ford must navigate these turbulent waters with unwavering resolve and a steadfast commitment to its environmental goals. The road ahead may be filled with obstacles, but the reward of a cleaner, more sustainable future is worth the journey. Now we invite you, our valued audience, to share your thoughts and perspectives on this unfolding saga. What do you make of Ford's decision to scale back its EV ambitions in Europe? Do you believe the company's justifications hold merit, or do you see this as a concerning departure from its proclaimed values? Share your insights and opinions in the comments below. Also, do well to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and put on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any interesting news and stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more captivating stories and insightful analysis from the world of automobiles.